Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to schedule Zoom meetings directly in Google Calendar. So let's get started. First open Google Calendar in your browser and then click on the settings icon. Now here you have to click on get add-ons and from the search bar here you have to search for Zoom. Once you find it, click on the install button and follow the prompts. Once the installation process completed, you will see a zoom icon at the right panel. Now go to the create button and create an event. So here I'm adding an event title, and after that you just have to click on the date and time section. Now here you can add date and time, and after that you can also add guest. Now here you have to click on the zoom icon. Now here you will see the first option of add meeting. Click on this and then you will see that a zoom meeting option is able. So you just have to click on this instead of Google Meet. This will instantly generate a Zoom link for your event. Finally, double check the details and then hit on the save button. And that's it, you have successfully integrated Zoom with Google Calendar. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.